Most people sign up for field service software based on promises, not real workflow testing. And that's where problems start. Here's the truth no one tells you. A tool like Service Fusion can either simplify your entire business or become just another complicated dashboard you ignore every day. Quick promise. In this video, you'll get a clear, honest breakdown of Service Fusion in 2026, what it actually does well, where it struggles, and who should and should not use it, so you can decide without wasting time or money. Let's start with what Service Fusion actually is. Service Fusion is an all-in-one field service management platform built for service businesses that want scheduling, dispatching, invoicing and customer management in one place. Think HVAC companies, plumbing teams, electrical contractors, and general field service businesses that manage multiple jobs per day. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest strength of Service Fusion is centralization. Everything lives in one system. Alex, who runs a mid-sized plumbing company, uses it to schedule jobs, assign technicians, and send invoices without switching between different tools. That kind of workflow saves time and reduces mistakes. But here's the problem. Service Fusion is not the simplest tool to learn. The interface is functional, but not the most modern or intuitive compared to newer competitors. If you are a solo operator or a very small team, it can feel heavier than necessary. Now let's talk about scheduling and dispatch. This is where Service Fusion performs strongly. You can assign jobs, track technician locations, and manage daily workflows in a structured way. For teams with multiple technicians, this becomes a major advantage because it reduces confusion and missed appointments. But there is a trade-off. Some users report that setup takes time. You cannot just log in and expect everything to be ready in minutes. You need to configure services, pricing, customers, and workflows properly. Jake, who runs an HVAC business, said it took him a few days to fully understand the system, but once it was set up, it became reliable. Now let's talk about invoicing and payments. Service Fusion includes built-in invoicing and payment processing, which means you can send estimates, convert them into invoices, and get paid without switching platforms. This is one of its strongest business efficiency features. In a minute, here's the key decision point most people miss. Service Fusion is built for structure, not simplicity. That means it works best when your business already has processes in place. If you are still figuring things out, it may feel like too much too soon. So who should use it? If you run a growing field service business with multiple technicians and you need one system to manage scheduling, dispatch, and billing, Service Fusion is a solid option. But if you are a small team looking for something lightweight, you may find it more complex than necessary. Final takeaway. Service Fusion is powerful, but it rewards organized businesses. The more structured your operations are, the more value you will get from it. If this helped you understand Service Fusion clearly, hit like, subscribe, and comment what kind of business you run. It helps others make better decisions too.